Came across a T file from a data visualization project and unsure how to view it? This chart format comes from a popular charting component library. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to work with TeeChart chart files. We'll be comparing our manual fix to the final option, made possible by using just one industry-leading TEE file inspection tool that supports a vast library of file formats. A .TEE file stores chart data and formatting properties created by TeeChart, a charting component library for developers. Users encounter these files when working with applications that use TeeChart to generate and save complex graphs, seeking to either view the chart data or modify its appearance within a compatible development environment. The TEE format is a proprietary binary or text-based structure designed by Steema Software for efficient serialization of chart objects. It encapsulates all chart elements, series data, axes, legends, and visual styles, allowing developers to save and load entire chart configurations with a single command, ensuring state persistence across application sessions. Essential file access for TEE relies upon the utility TeeChart from Steema Software. Standard Windows programs often fail to correctly display all layers of the document. Windows offers no interpretation of complex data schemas, so the right application is essential. We need to identify a functional opener. Right-click the TEE file and choose Open With. Prioritize TeeChart if it shows up. If it is not there, choose any other application. The right one is out there. If your TEE file is not opening yet, that is normal. The stubbornness of the file suggests a specific weak spot. Let's test these common failure points immediately to see where the problem is originating. First, opening with TeeChart. Install TeeChart Office, a free standalone chart viewer from Steema Software, or use applications with embedded TeeChart components. Open the T file directly to display the chart with all visual styling intact. Interactive features allow zooming, panning, and inspecting individual data points within the chart. Next, editing in TeeChart Office. Use TeeChart Office to modify chart properties, data series, and visual styling. The application provides a graphical editor for adjusting axis ranges, color schemes, chart types, and labels. Save modifications back to TE format or export to image formats for use in documents and presentations. Finally, exporting to images. Export TEE charts to PNG, JPEG, SVG, or PDF formats, using TeeChart Office for inclusion in reports, presentations, or web pages. The vector formats preserve chart quality at any size, while raster formats provide compatibility with image editors and viewers lacking TeeChart support natively. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. File Magic is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagic.com. If you know someone else struggling with this file, please share this video. A like and subscribe goes a long way.